Hi, welcome to the stream. Hey, Callian. Welcome to the stream. So today I'm working on something that I worked on like almost 2 years ago and I never finished. Um, it's sort of like a crypto sort of thing. Um, it's really bare bones right now, but yeah, I hope I can get some work done on it. Right now I'm working on some of the RSA encryption things and the signature right now. Um, yeah, and that's working, which is good. I was gonna start working on a game for Ludum Dare because that started yesterday, I think. But I don't know. I haven't worked on a game in a really long time. Other than that, other Game Jam game that I started, but I also didn't finish that. I don't normally finish games. Oh, and a new version of the Astro 8 is actually going to be released eventually. Um, right now, I'm just working on documentation and stuff like that. Um, so it's actually, uh, you know, well documented and you actually know what you're doing. But it's the new version that has. Hold on. Um, Astro. Okay. Musical. Actually, I can just do Astro 8. Musical. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so the new version of the Astro 8 is the high resolution version, or high resolution in quotes. It's only 108 by 108 pixels tall and wide. It's square. So it's not quite double 64. I think 64 is about here. So it adds on like this extra bit and this extra bit down here. So you should be able to make more complex games and stuff. And there's also the new music, which I don't think anyone else has actually had access to at this point. So you can make more complex music. I'm not sure if this is the current version right now, so if I play it, it might not sound good, because I don't know if I updated the installed version. No, it doesn't sound like anything, actually. I think I can still run it, though, so e/8 computer /8. Astro coin to the moon, invest. Oh no, please. Okay, so the main reason why I made the thing that I'm working on now, the coin, is I got like an idea that you could use it to pay for distributed computing for like complex and compute heavy applications. So it's more of like something that developers could use. And oh no. I really don't want that to happen. X64 release. Okay. Slash what? Okay. And then dot slash yabble. Now why didn't that work? Oh wait, yabble. No, it's musical. Let's go back. Speed this up a bit. Oh yeah, and in this new application you can actually change speed, which is nice. Let's go back. Okay, so it sounds a little bit weird, because I think this is an old version of the composing sort of software thing that I made. It's like a Python script that basically converts music notes into things that this tracker can use to play music. Okay, I think that's enough of that. So it definitely still needs work, but it's way better than the 3 sine waves or whatever is in the current 1.0 release. So right now there's 4 channels. So A is a square wave, B is also a square wave because those can be used like kind of often, I guess. C is a triangle wave, I'm quite sure, and D is just noise. And then whatever symbol is in here, it's a base 32 value, I think. So it's 0 through 9, and then A through Z. And then the higher it is, so the closer it is to Z, the higher the pitch is. So like a low value like 0 will have a very low frequency, and then a value of like Z will have a frequency of around 2000 hertz, I think. Or Oh, yeah, whatever. It's not called AstroCoin. It's called Distributed Compute Coin. It's kind of like long name that no one would want to write out, but yeah. I'm planning to release it soon, but the documentation still isn't like sort of fully done yet. I mean, it wasn't done to begin with anyway. But I'm trying to make it better and so it's easier for anyone to use. Marvel coin? What is Marvel coin? It sounds very dumb. Distrocom coin. I don't think anyone would want it to be called that. Hey, welcome to stream. Oh, I didn't realize. Well, okay. It's because normally when I have abbreviated this, like in its GitHub page and stuff, it's DCC, not just DC. Because coin is like part of the abbreviation. But okay. Okay, so this may look like just a bunch of random information, and it sort of is. But basically, right here, this is just a test to make sure the RSA encryption works and decryption. So the message goes in, hello world, it gets turned into this jumble of characters, and then it gets decrypted as this. So it works. And then you get the wallet info from the server, which unfortunately, yes, I have to use my server. But it's going to be distributed, or what's it called? P2P soon. So then it checks how many blocks there are to compute, the difficulty, and then it validates the entire blockchain by going through it and checking the signatures and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't really understand crypto either. I just sort of, you know, I just start implementing things, and then once I run into like a roadblock, I start doing some research about it, and then I realize that I went about it totally wrong, and I need to revamp the entire system from like the ground up. And then I discovered that that method that I made is an old one that's not even cryptographically secure anymore, so I need to restart it again. So it's sort of a, I should probably just learn about it, but it's probably not even worth it. I don't plan to finish this project, and it's probably not going to be shown on my YouTube channel because, well, it's about crypto, and crypto is kind of cringe now. Ah, that didn't work. Yes, it does exist. That's a very important fact, that it does indeed exist. Unfortunately, you know, like, well, it's unfortunate for some of them. Okay, before and then after. way down here. So this is the signature generation. It basically just uses the private key to encrypt the hash of the transaction, and so that way it can be checked against the public key, which is sort of like, and the address is part of the public key, so that's checked first. So basically, if none of this stuff lines up, the transaction is just totally removed because it's invalid. Kind of complicated, but I actually started making this when I was just starting learning out C++. So that was like last year sometime, I think, or 1 year ago. Yeah, it was like around June, I think, of last year that I started making this in C++, that is. And then I switched over to using, wait, no, I started making this in C#, actually. But I didn't like it because it wasn't difficult enough to make, I guess. And so I swapped over to using C++, and it's taken me like a year just to implement the exact same thing that I already had and existed. Yeah, Hezi. So basically I was just like translating it from C# to C++, but if you have ever translated one of your programs from one language to another, then you know that, going from a higher level language to a lower level one, well, I think I'd call C++ a lower level one than C#. It's a lot more difficult because like a one-line statement can sometimes be turned into like that much code in C++. Just because like there's more memory management and different like things you need to handle, and you also need like way more libraries because less things are built in. It's kind of a pain. But going from C++ to C# is incredibly easy, and I love it. Though I haven't used C# for a while because everything I make is now in C++. Yeah, this one's like, well, this is just the main file, actually. There's also way more files, but it's already 1,300 lines just in the main file, and it originally was like half of that in C++, in C#. Pretty annoying. Okay, and then there's signature. I mean, do you mean 7 lines with like wait, what? How? I don't know, I barely ever used Java. When I was like a basically sort of a beginner at programming, I started with C# because that was what you used for the Unity game engine. So, you know, it was the thing that you'd use all the time to make games. But I switched over to C++ like a year ago because you can do way more stuff in it, and it's like more cross-platform and stuff, arguably, I guess. But I still kept writing my programs in C#, and then I'd always translate them over to C++, and it was a really inefficient process, but it was sort of like the only way that I could understand. You're learning Java in college? Not C or anything? Why are they teaching you a language at all? Really, like, my opinion is that in college, you shouldn't learn, like, you shouldn't learn how to use a thing. Like, you shouldn't learn how to use a programming language, for example. My engineering teacher, he told us that, you know, when he went to college, they'd teach you how to use a CAD program. And that CAD program doesn't exist anymore. It just... So they basically, your entire time at college, you just learn something that it doesn't even matter when you get out. So you need to learn the ideas. You need to learn, like, for computer science, for example, you need to, like, learn algorithms. You need to learn how things work. Wait, but Hezi, didn't you know programming before? Actually, I don't know why I'd assume this, but did you not know programming before college? I can't imagine going to college and then relearning something that I've already learned. I mean, if they taught me something new, like, I don't know, Haskell and, I don't know, some more complex, in quotes, languages. Like, it could be cool to learn that, because I'd never probably do that on my own. I tried, and I got, like, 5 minutes in to, a video on how to learn Haskell, and I just stopped. I didn't like it. They limit the courses you're allowed to take. Ah, oh, that sucks. But I guess you gotta get through it to get to the good stuff. Okay. See, right there. Well, yeah, I mean, if it's stuff you already, like, know, then... Yeah, but it's sort of like a waste of time, though, you know? Especially because all programming languages basically are the same. I mean, unless you're talking about, like, esoteric ones or something. But the ideas can be transferred across them pretty easily. free credit hours? Okay. Alright, bye. Here we are, here. First block. Hey, I think it worked. Nice. Okay. So it'd be like... Okay. I think this is like the first transaction that's actually successfully completed. Awesome. Oh, wait. That doesn't look right. Yeah, I don't think that's how it should be. Let's format this. It's really difficult to see. JSON formatter. Ah, I see. Okay, so it appends, basically instead of overwriting the file, it actually just adds onto the bottom, which isn't what it's supposed to do. The currency, right now, what I'm working on is sending. So basically it just like, it goes to one of the pending blocks, like this one, it's block 2. And it'll go to the transactions. This is a JSON file, by the way. It looks a bit confusing, but it's just a JSON file. It goes to the transactions, wherever those are, transactions, which is an array. And it appends the current transaction, the amount, the signature, which is, you know, just used to sign it, and verify that it's, like, correct. And also the public key. And I mostly have that. I just need to fix this little bug here where it's appending everything. Because this is like the full block right here. And same with right here. So it duplicates it and then adds it, but that's wrong. Should be an easy fix. I have append right here. I just need to clear it out, actually. Okay, I think that's everything. Let's also get rid of some of these transactions because they're not correct, actually. They're like old from before I actually made this thing a real crypto. Because right now it's very far from one, but compared to before, it's way better. Before it was sort of just like writing things to a text file, and it didn't do many things that were cryptographically secure, which is, you know, how crypto gets its name. It should be cryptographically secure. By the way, this might be sort of a boring stream, because, I don't know, it's basically just a lot of complex numbers and symbols and things that you don't know what's going on. Stay hydrated. Dash, dash. Send. Okay, so that was a send command. Let's see what the pending blocks look like. Oh wait, it brought things back. That's right, because the server has a different version of this. Although it didn't append, which is good, because that's how it should be. No appending. So let's see. So this would be the full transaction. So that's the amount, where it's from, where it's going to. Its signature, and then the public key. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go onto the server and edit that block value. So it might take a second. I have to sign in. Come on. Starts taking a while. So right now my server setup is actually just like a small laptop from like 10 years ago running Ubuntu, and it's just like sitting on my floor over there. It's pretty funny. It's like, it has like 2 gigabytes of RAM, but it's able to do everything I need it to, so it works. Almost done. I'm sort of almost done. It might take a bit longer. Oh, by the way, what I'm doing off screen right now, I'm logged in with an SSH shell. You know, just so it's not confusing and you know what I'm actually doing, because you can't see this. Alright, all done. Fletch. Sync. There we go. That's not right. Oh yeah, I guess it doesn't sync. Pending blocks? Yeah, no pending. But if I send, it should sync it again. Yep. And now that's the only transaction. Good. Although there is one problem. For some reason the address is getting capitalized. And I think that is not good. Yeah, I think because they can use capital letters and lowercase letters, so I think that actually damages the data. So that's the to address. So to address. Oh, wait. I think I capitalized all input commands. So it's like anything that you put into the shell. Oh no, not all of them. Okay, so it's just like what I want to. And right now I don't actually want to. So just delete that. And I think the sound that happens every time I start up is because of one of these symbols. Kind of annoying, but it's fine. Dash send 1. Let's look at pending. Okay. Now it's all lowercase. That's good. It's 1 over. Although something that shouldn't happen is this block is currently getting deleted and then re-downloaded from the server. And I don't want it to do that. I want it to keep its own blocks at all costs. And that's because, well, it's its own data. So if you make a transaction, you don't want your transaction getting overwritten by someone else's. Okay. Let's go to send funds. I think it might be the sync action that does that. Oh, it's so very annoying. Send from there. Okay, so now it doesn't overwrite it. I need to go into the isChain valid function, because now I'm using the hash of the signature rather than the actual signature, so I need to hash it before I compare them. This is just wrong right here. So it's... How is the signature generated again? So the signature is a private encryption of the hash of the amount, address, from, to, and the time. think that works. I don't think I can hash the signature. Like, that just doesn't work. Because I should be able to decrypt it, yeah. But it also, I don't think JSON supports all those symbols and stuff. These. So I think I might need to convert it to like base 64 or something. Huh. Dash send. Yeah. Invalid UTF-8. Well, I am using Boost, so I think I can do this. Love Stack Overflow. Should this be in crypto? It's not really cryptographic. Just encoding. Whatever. It's fine. I'll leave that for future me to sort out. So now what I'll do is signature sig base 64 encode 64 and signature. So now we'll use the base 64 value, so that way it can actually convert between, you know, readable and actually usable, rather than just encrypting it, or hashing it. Hashing is not encrypting. Okay, let's test it out. It didn't work. End of input? That's odd. Oh. Because previous error overrode it. And it never resynced. So I'll just let it sync for now, I guess. Hey, welcome to the stream. It's kind of complicated, and I don't want to go over it because it would take like half an hour. But basically, you know, there's the blockchain, there's the um, there's crypto stuff like RSA and signatures, and transactions are signed and they're verified, and yeah, stuff like that. And that's about all I'm gonna say about it. Okay, so this worked, I think. And so the signature is now encoded as a base 64 value right here. Yeah, okay. Now I need to... Actually, I'm probably going to do a test at the beginning, just to make sure that the base 64 encoding and decoding is accurate. So that's down here. Yes. So encrypted. So we want to do encode 64. So it will encrypt it, and then it will encode it in base 64 so that it's actually usable as like a text value. And then encrypted. Okay. We don't need a hash. I don't know why that's there. And then we want to decode 64. Alright, let's hope it works. Okay, hello world. It encrypts as that, and it doesn't work. That's good to know. Is it something like somehow I wrote it? I don't think so. That's weird. Maybe I should just look into putting it into a JSON as like its binary raw data. Maybe I should first test the encoding and decoding. So just do... Not in quotes. Oops. So encode the message. Okay. And then decode the encrypted version. So no encryption or anything going on. That's just more things to deal with. I keep leaving this open. It's also sort of annoying how it doesn't auto-close. Okay, so message hello world, it's encrypted, well, encoded actually, as this. and then it's hello world again. Okay. Code. Okay, so first we want to encode it. Then we want to encrypt it. So, well, I need to get this back, don't I? Code version. Oh wait, I don't want to encode it first. I want to encrypt it first and then encode. Ah, okay. So that would just be message. Version. And then we do RSA public encrypt using the key pair 0. Okay, now we can test. If I close this first. There we go. So it encrypted as this set of things. It encoded it as that. Decoded is the exact same thing. It looks like it's the exact same thing. I don't see any differences. We'll have a bool print out if they're the same, because, I mean, they should be the same, right? So decoded should be the same as encrypted. Okay. Okay, so that bool, which is right here, it says that the before and after versions are not the same. I don't know how though. Let's find the difference between them. If this will even work. There's this one. And then there's that one. Yeah, they're identical. Or, as this thing says, they're identical. So I'm really confused. Because if the base 64 input and output are the same, which it seems like they are, then it doesn't make sense. Maybe I should trim them. That might help. How do I trim? Do I even have a trim function? Straws. Trim string. Okay. It open. Okay, trimming didn't do anything. Maybe let's compare just the decoded version. Wait, no, not that. Oh wait, I was comparing the encrypted version. It should be... Wait, yeah, that's right. Ah, this is so frustrating. So I'll remove these trim string functions. I don't think that would really change anything. Space these out so it's easier to see. Value goes in there. I should try finding a different base64 encoder. I'm still like posting the same thing, but it's still thinks it's different. So encrypted and decoded. Yeah, those should be the same, but they're not. So weird. Use this one instead. Okay, let's test this out. Oh, wait, those aren't correct. I need to change them to encode 64 and decode 64. More than one argument? Does it require a C? Whatever. Wait, does it? Let's try this. Oh, I have another use down here. I forgot. Let's copy this. Hey, it actually worked. Nice. So that means the other implementation of the base64 encryption probably just didn't work, I guess. But now it's encrypting this, then it's encoding it in base64, which is just like numbers and letters so that you can actually use it like in a JSON file, because I guess it doesn't support sort of binary data like this junk right here. And then it can decode it again as this. So that's good. And they're the same, and it decrypts as hello world. Nice. And that means in the checker, I need to decode it from base64 as well. So it's like down here. Wait, is it a hash of transaction data? I don't remember. Signature, private encrypt, hash. Yes, it is. And then it's down here. So it would be decode 64. Okay, so it will decode the base 64, then you'll get the actual signature value, the RSA thing, and then you can do public decrypt onto that. So hash the transaction data. Here. And then take the hash. And then I think it's the signature. Decrypted signature. And we want that to be equal to the transaction hash. Same as the hash just generated. And that should work. Oh, but then the wallet is not the last 64 characters of the public key. I think it's... it's the hash of the public key. You can't just use public key as a variable here. Wait, right? From, so that's 1. Ah, okay, now I see. So I'll take that. So you want to compare this to that wallet. There we go. Correct wallet. I'll do expected wallet. Okay, now I'll send. Where's my wallet? Here. Ah, that's annoying. Up here. Let's go to pending box. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like. I think that is encoded in base 64. Yeah, because it has like the double equals at the end. Now we're gonna encode it with like the new version, which is actually different. It's weird. But I mean, as long as it's the same across, it should be fine. Maybe I should try mining. I haven't even tried that. Ah, yes. An error. I love those. Although I think mine any still works, which is basically just you can mine any block you want. Like I can mine block 1, and let's give it a large difficulty, so like 6, and it's hashing at around 93 kilohashes per second, which is good, I think. I don't know, it's pretty good. It's decent. Because right now the notch is already like 1 million something, 2 million. I don't know, it might take a while to compute. We'll just let that run. So for some reason it failed when wallet info blockchain length was accessed. At least I think. Wow, it's still going. 10 million. Nice. To end this. I don't really need to finish. So we'll do mine 1. Okay, so it says program life, and then it tries printing blockchain length. Get program. So it does actually have a program for it to execute, which is good. There's an author, built, computation level. Wait, build? It's not built yet. It's just like, it's wrong. Huh. Cost 11, minutes left 8. Total minutes 10. 109, 612, 677. Okay, so it got a little bit further this time. It's odd. It doesn't unzip the program. That's what it should do. / program / that. It's finished. Okay, so it fails to compile. And it also, I just don't think it unzips it. I think that's the main problem. It would be file manipulation for unzipping. Oh, wait, I think this is actually a thing that I was having difficulty with, like last year. Okay. Yeah. I can run a command. Luckily that's like some built-in functionality that I have. yeah, okay, so extract zip is supposed to be getting called now. Let's just do a function called execute command. And the command that we'll use, let's see, I think tar is installed on most Windows systems, so I can use tar-x -x? Shoot, I think it is. I will try now. Okay. Did it work? Oh, you can't do that. Never mind. Actually, dot string, and then that should work. So also remove this program data, just in case it messes it up. So we'll do --mine 1. Error opening archive, failed to open //./tape0. That's not what it should be. Network. It should be this. It should, except, you know, .zip. Huh. So it should be this one, actually. And we'll do toString, because I don't know if that was automatic or not. Oh, wait, std. Wait, what? Oh, it is a string already. What do you mean? What do you mean? Whatever. That cast seems to fix the error. At least temporarily. Move these again. Why does it keep trying to open this thing that doesn't exist? Maybe this function is messed up. The execute command one. That's annoying. So I've got, I think, tar-x. Maybe I'm putting in the command wrong. Tar extract zip. Oh, it's -xz. Okay. Now, hopefully, the extraction should work. Odd, it should check to make sure that there's a folder and then automatically do it, but it's not doing that. Okay, error opening archive, fail to open. What is that? What is that? Seriously? Screen. Tar extract command is equal to this. Okay, now it's sort of separate. Should hopefully work. I don't know why it wouldn't. These again. Failed to open //./tape0. What is //./tape0? Maybe let's copy the other execute command, the one that's used with cargo and Rust. So tar -xz program www programs id zip. So it should at least get ./www.data/programs. If it doesn't get that, then something's really messed up. Okay, maybe this is an error and I need to actually look into it. Because that's like an error with tar. Oh, I need to use the -f option? Why would I need to use -f? Okay, so basically the error, at least according to this, is that by default, it doesn't use the file that you give it. It uses the tape device, which, you know, doesn't exist on most Windows computers. So that's annoying. But I just need to do -f, I think. And it should fix it. -mine. Abort. odd. It didn't extract it. Okay, that's after this. Then before building a signed program. I have an example of it in here, so I just need to wait. Dash X F maybe? Perhaps. Actually. Dash X. Yeah, okay. Oh, let's delete these files first, just in case. Huh. That's it. So weird. Maybe it's extracting it to the wrong place. Rust first project. Oh, okay. So this is the thing that it's extracting, and it's extracting it to where the exe is. So let's give it an output then, because I think that's what it's wanting. So I'll give it an output location of /w data right /programs /+id plus, yeah, just that. Are not found. So, okay, I think I know what I should do. Get this over here. Okay, so I guess I might need to use multiple commands. Like make dir. So the directory would be something like this. Plus ID. I think it's -C, right? That's the basic C4, that's this. Yes, -C. I don't know how that goes to location, but whatever. Delete the old files. And yeah, okay, that's good. Make dir. It's not? Why couldn't I? What? Okay, I guess I have to use a different weapon. --1 -top -level. Let's try this. Delete these. Ah, it's not supported? Why? Okay, so I'll use -C, but I can't use the make dir command. So I think I have a file or a folder making area up here. File system create directory. Okay, it's actually pretty easy. I thought it would be a bit more complex than that. So the directory will then be wait, does this require a C string? Oh, a path. Oh, they can convert, okay. Oh, you're right. I didn't even think to look for a typo, I just assumed that it wasn't, like, supported. Abort. It didn't work. The status of what command is incorrect? Ah, whatever. I'll just try using files this one. I think that's right. Hey, okay, so it did it. Why did it do that, though? No, I don't want that. I want this to be replaced. Like, if I open this as a zip... What happens if I just extract it as is? Oh wait, no, it doesn't have the right path. I don't think this program is even made correctly. I don't know why I did that. Oh. Time to SSH into my server again. So I only have this one program, and it's 109.612.677. Okay. I need to totally revamp the program making system as well. Right now it uses like Rust and stuff, and I'm not very good at Rust, but r-xf 109. Zip. tar-xef. What? How do I extract a stupid zip archive? Zip dash E. Dash X. Maybe. I don't understand it. Jeez it. it's not working. Hmm. That's it. Okay. Alright, bye. Yeah, it's pretty boring right now because you can't see what I'm doing. There's... move that to... I think it's ready on the server side. So now if I just run this, it should extract it to the correct name folder. Nope. Programs. Oh, it puts it inside of a second folder. I'll actually add something here on the client side to handle that because that would probably be pretty common. Or actually, just do that. Six, 1, 2, 6, 7, 7. And okay, so now I'm just working on cargo. But why doesn't it want to build that? Okay, so let's move over to that folder. Cheers. Oh, DC. CC minor is out. DCC, I think. www beta programs better. Why isn't cargo build working? It's weird. Okay. But then why can't I pass in a path? data. Programs. Oh, slash cargo.toml. Okay, so it appeared to work. Out.txt. Oh yeah, now I remember. Ist project? No. Now we'll do cargo run data programs there. Cargo run manifest path is that. That was extremely fast, by the way. Wow. And it got 3 zeros. Nice. I don't know why I started to have to use manifest path, but I guess it's a new update or something. Use this command. Wait, no. This command. Cargo run. Okay, now it should work. Oh, what? Oh, it needs to have cargo.toml at the end. That slash cargo.toml. Okay. Let's try it out. Delete those. Hey, it's working. Ah, maybe I said that a bit early. For some reason, the first 2 characters, you know, BL or blockchain, is getting like removed. weird. Never had that happen before. I don't think. Maybe I should convert it to a string first. Okay, got the blockchain length of 2 and the program life. That's good. I feel like it didn't execute the program one. Like it got the program life, but didn't execute it. Now it's building. Okay. So now look after blockchain to the block file. Okay. But no promises. Hey, it didn't crash. JSON exception type error. Must be a string, but it's null. Uh-oh, it's null. Content. Block buffer does string, block buffer is read buffer. So is it failing to open it? Okay, so it's opening 2. 2? It should not just be 2. Oh wait, yeah, I didn't append anything else. Doi. Well, it definitely shouldn't be null, so I don't know why it thinks it's null. Oh wait, that's not correct there. I know that for sure, because I made it lowercase before. Right, nice. No errors. Now I have to uncomment the actual part where it mines. Oh, what? Oh, it's used. Like that. Cross my fingers. Hope it works. Ah, didn't. Okay. Okay, so I think I know why it does this sort of thing, where, you know, it should say mining block, but it says mining block. I think that's just because I'm not converting the JSON, or I'm not casting it as a string when it should be. And I don't know why it failed to connect, because it just connects here. Wait, no, here. So it's sort of weird. Mining. Oh my god. What? Wait, what? Oh, it's because it's right here. It's multiple lines. That makes sense. block known. State view string. That difficulty is extreme. My difficulty. Okay, that's good. I also want to print the exception here. Because I think this is where it's failing, because it's just returning 0, and, well, we can't see what it's actually talking about. Code convert to W char T error. What? Wait, unless it's a boost error. But where am I using boost? Oh. Here. Wait, no, not here. Here. So it's this starting program. So execute async, I think, is the problem. Mining again. Okay. Block mined incorrectly. Okay. And it also says the code convert to W char T error. Still don't really know what that is, but okay. Maybe I could just like remove everything related to this. How does that? Okay. So actual mining works, that's nice. Up here? Well, it says it's mined incorrectly though. So that's a bit annoying. So these should be divided by 1000. Please. should be hash start, I think. I don't even know what happened. Okay, so it mined it incorrectly. What? I don't know why it keeps mining incorrectly, or why it even says block mined incorrectly. A bit weird. Why is there 2 slashes there? That's weird. So I think the block mining correctly is S. Error block mining correctly. Yeah, so that's a server file. Time to SSH back into my server. Actually, you know what? It should actually save the file. Just move it over to its own blockchain. If it's correct. Okay, what time is it? 2:30. I'm done streaming. I've only been streaming for like 2.5 hours now, but whatever. I'm done. Thank you everyone for watching, or anyone who's still there. Sort of an uninteresting stream today because I wasn't working on the CPU. But I plan to maybe stream again tomorrow, and I'll work on the CPU because that does have a bit more to get done before the 2.0 release. Other than that, thanks for watching, and goodbye.